In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, tap on one of your passwords that you wish to check, like Facebook one. Enter your screen lock and tap on this eye icon right next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!